Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will presentation about answering question other group. My name is Gita Nabila Putri Bahri and my partner is Lutfion Hamid Ailan. Question number 1. What are the main design elements that help identify Islamic architecture and how do they reflect Islamic cultural or religious values? Key design elements include domes, arch, mihrab, court arch, and mosaic or geometric patterns. These reflect Islamic values such as unity in diversity, seen in geometric repetition and symmetry. Modesty in ornamentation, avoiding image of living beings, spiritual direction with Qibla orientation, and divine infinity represented in patterns that suggest endlessness. These elements serve as physical manifestation of Tawhid, oneness of God, and Ihsan, spiritual beauty and excellence. Number 2, explain the role of Quranic verses and hadith in shaping the concept of Islamic architectural art. Quranic verses and hadith offer guidance and inspiration embracing the values of beauty, order, clean lines, humility, and community. For example, indeed Allah is beautiful and love beauty. Hadith Muslim encourage aesthetic pursuit in design. Quran Surah Al-Baqarah 2 verses 127 recounts Ibrahim and Ismail building the Kaabah, setting a model of sacred architecture. This text said how the space is built not only for function but for spiritual experience and worship. Number 3, how did the early history of mosque minaret become a symbol of Islamic architecture? Minarets were introduced around the 8th century as elevated platform for the call to prayer adhan. Over time, they evolved as a symbol of presence in the skyline, as guiding landmark for worshippers, and as cultural expression with diverse styles. Ottoman pencil minarets, Moroccan square towers, and each other. Their verticality came to symbolize connection between earth and heaven in Islamic art and spirituality. Number 4, what extent should today's Muslim architects integrate Quranic or Hadith texts in the design process, and how can they avoid becoming merely symbolic ornaments? Muslim architects should embed values, not just visuals. Verses and hadith can inspire functional ethic like environmental care, community space, rather than just calligraphic decoration. To avoid superficiality, they use text as structural concept, not mere facade, alike design with Sharia principles, sustainability, human dignity, and purpose. Ensure that inscription enhance spiritual atmosphere, not distract or become class. Number 5, what is it important for Muslim architects to consider Islamic values in their design? Islamic values help ensure that architecture serves humanity, Maqasid al-Sharia, promotes harmony with nature, and encourage spiritual reflection. Design becomes more than shelter, it becomes a tool of worship, social unity, and ethical practice. Number 6, how can the integration of modern architectural, science, and Islamic principles be realized in today's development? This integration can happen through sustainable design, solar energy, water recycling, passive ventilation, which align with Islam ethic of moderation on and balance. Use focused design that prioritize community, accessibility, and inclusivity. And smart technology guided by ethical limits, privacy, safety, community benefit. It's about harmony, not compromise. Number 7, how is the analogy of Quranic verses and hadith use a basis in Islamic architectural art? Designer can interpret metamorph like in Surah An-Nur verses 35 into spatial lighting, themes of paradise, garden, rives in Surah Ar-Rahman into green space and fountains, or concept of time and read in the daily prayer into the structure of space and movement. These analogies create architecture that narrates divine message truth from and function. The next material will be explained by my friend Lutfian.
In the context of the Twin Tower integration model, how can architecture serve as a meeting tower between science, technology, and Islamic value? So architecture becomes a bridge. Number one is science offers structural innovation. Number two is technology enables efficiency and comfort. And the last is well Islamic value and core purpose, ethics, and aesthetic. This meeting tower model ensures that buildings are not only advanced but also meaningful and responsible. Next question is, how is the concept of Islamic architecture applied in modern buildings today? So modern Islamic architecture blends first is glass, steel, and AI system with Islamic spatial concept like privacy, hierarchy of space like public or private, and Qibla orientation. Second is minimalist mosques and that still incorporate mihrab, minaret, and courtyard. And the last is institution institutions like the Qatar National Mosque or Kapsark in Riyadh showcase this fusion. It is living, evolving tradition, not stuck in the past. Next question is analyze how the verses of the Quran can be a source of inspiration in creating architecture that is not only aesthetic but also full of spiritual meaning. The example is Surah An-Nur ayat 35 like verse has inspired lighting design that enhance spiritual ambience. Verses about heavenly gardens inform courtyard architecture with plants, water, and shade. The Kaabah cubes reflects ideas of direction, simplicity, and universality. This design touches the soul, not just the eye. The next is, what is the significance of mosques in Islamic architecture design? So, mosques are central to Islamic architecture, not only as place of worship but also as community centers, educational hubs, and symbols of unity. Their design reflects the value of Islam, whereas equality, direction to God, purity, and openness. Next question is, in the context of the current, environmental crisis, does Islamic architecture have a concept that can be a solution? Yes, Islamic architecture promotes first and eco-consciousness as a form of worship, whereas Khalifah mindset. The second is passive cooling, thick walls, wind catchers, historicals used in Islamic lands. And the last is zoning and green space for communal and ecological balance. It advocates sustainability as spirituality. The next question is, how is symmetry a key concept in Islamic art represented in the Twin Tower structure? So symmetry in Twin Tower represents first is unity and duality, since in Islamic balance between dunya and akhirah. The second is order and harmony, and echoes echoing the divine structure of the universe. And the last is reflect tauhid, suggesting God's reflection mirrored in creation. Twin structure also symbolize balance between knowledge type or revelation and reason. Okay, that's all for us. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if there are any wrong word or other disturbing things from us. Okay, thank you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.